Hey guys, this is Usha from Pro Programmer. So today's class we will be learning arithmetic operators in C. Let's have a look at arithmetic operators. So what is arithmetic operators? So arithmetic operator is a mathematical operation which is done by some operators like addition, subtraction and division, multiplication. These are the called as a arithmetic operators. Here we are showing the symbols like plus, minus and multiplication symbol. So these are the symbols which are using with two operands to do the operation. So let's move to the practical session of the program. Now as we know that this is the program. So if I had two numbers, for that I will be initializing two numbers, that is int a equal to 4 comma b equal to 5. So these are the initialization part. Okay. So after the initialization part, I will be do the operations here. So whenever we use this double slash, so that is we called as a comment. Okay. So in the next line, I will be do the operation of arithmetic operations. So I will be using another data type, that is int. So another variables also I will be using, that is k. So within a k I will be adding a plus b. So in the same way I will be doing all the operations. So here we done the addition, right? So in the next line I will be do other operations like subtraction, divisions and multiplications. For that I used the k variable copy paste. So now I will be changing the sign of every operation. So first I did the arithmetic operation, so second subtraction, so third one is the multiplication, fourth one is division, fifth one is modulus. Now I will be changing the variables. So that is, if I use k here, I will be using j, then l, then m. So for every operation I will be giving different of variable name. Now I will be printing those values. So for that I used printf statement here. So within a printf, within a double braces, within a double quotes, I will be giving %d. So as we know, %d is used for integer to print the integer values, right? So after %d I will be giving /a to print the output in the next line. So after the double quotation I giving comma with variable which is needed for print addition. So at the end of the statement I given the semicolon. So what I did is, so I copied this printf statement and I pasted again and again. So to get the output here, so I just changed the variable of every printf statement. So I returned the k value statement. So again I return the j, after that l. So I replaced the k value with k variable with all the variables. So now if I run this, so first of all we done the initialization part. So second thing is we done addition, subtraction. If we done addition part, what can we get? So 4 plus 5, that is 9, right? So if we done subtraction, we get I think 1. So if we done multiplication, we get 20. If we done division, we get 0 something or 1. So if we do modulus, we get something. Okay. So we will check out what can we get here. So if I run this, so I used the run button here. So if we run this, we get, so that is first thing is addition, we got 9. Second thing is -1, that is 4 minus 5, that is which is larger is -5, right? So we got -1. So the next one is 4 into 5, 20. So when we done division, we got 0, and we cannot divide 5 by 4, right? So the last one is we done modulus, that is 4. So if we change the value here, let's say we have here as a 14. So B thing is 5 itself. So if I run this value, so I got the something another values, that is if we do the addition of 14 plus 5, that is 19 and so on, right. So this is the program about the arithmetic operations in C. If you all like my video, please press that like button. If you have any query, please mention in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.